Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to say you graduated on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. From here, we want to go ahead and click on our profile and click on view profile, and then head on over to the education section. So scroll down to near the bottom of the page here, click on education, and now from here we want to go ahead and click on the pencil icon. Then from here we can go ahead and edit your current education, or we can go ahead and hit the plus icon to put in new education. So you can enter your degree, for example, Bachelor of Science in Marketing, and you want to include the start and end years. Make sure the end year is current, and then if there is a box saying I'm done with this school box, if it appears, and then also add activities, honors, or GPA if relevant, and then go ahead and click on to save. The same thing, you can go ahead and edit any education by clicking on that pencil icon and hitting save too. Another thing what we can do is head on over back to our profile and then create a new post. So you can draft something like this. I'm excited to share that I've officially graduated from, put in university name with a degree, grateful for all the support, connection, and yada yada yada, and then put in some hashtags and go ahead. You can add an image as well for your graduation and then go ahead and click on post.